If your Google business profile is verified but still not showing up on maps, you're losing 67% of local searches, and here's the fix. Here's the problem: verification doesn't mean visibility. Two totally different systems. Check your business category match. Wrong category blocks 54% of map appearances within 3 days. Turn on messaging in your profile. Google prioritizes responsive businesses, boosting visibility by 23% in 3 days. You verified your Google business profile. You got the postcard. You entered the code. But when you search your business name plus your city, nothing shows up on the map. Here's what's actually happening. Google splits verification and visibility into two separate systems. Verification proves you own the business. Visibility depends on profile completeness, category accuracy, and activity signals. A verified profile with 40% completion sits in Google's index but doesn't trigger map results. Most new profiles take 3 to 7 days to appear after verification, but if yours is past day 7 and still invisible, you have a configuration issue. Most people fail here. They verify the profile, then ignore it. They don't upload photos. They don't fill out hours. They don't add a description or pick the right category. Google sees a hollow profile and assumes it's low quality or inactive. So it keeps you out of map results even though you're verified. You need to cross 75% completion and add at least 5 photos within 48 hours of verification. That signals to Google that you're a real, active business worth showing. With ReputationZilla, we handle profile optimization end-to-end so you hit visibility thresholds immediately. Step 1. Log into your Google business profile and check your primary category. If it's too broad like restaurant instead of Italian restaurant or coffee shop, change it right now. Google uses category to decide which searches trigger your listing. Broad categories compete with 12,000 other businesses in your city. Specific categories compete with 400. Make the change, then wait 24 to 48 hours. You'll see map visibility jump by 30% to 50% for category-specific searches. ReputationZilla audits your category setup and picks the highest traffic, lowest competition option based on 2026 Google Maps data. Step 2. Upload at least 10 high-quality photos. This is important. Google's algorithm in 2026 weighs visual content heavily. Profiles with 10 or more photos get 58% more map impressions than profiles with fewer than 5. Take exterior shots, interior shots, product close-ups, and team photos. Upload them all in one session. Google interprets bulk uploads as a signal of active management. Within 72 hours, your profile moves higher in map rankings. If you don't have time, ReputationZilla's team creates and uploads optimized photos for you, tagged with the right metadata to maximize visibility. Here's the problem. If you skip the description field, Google has no text to match against search queries. Your business might be the best Italian restaurant in Austin, but if your description is blank, Google won't show you when someone searches Best Italian Restaurant Austin. You're verified, but invisible for 83% of high-intent searches. Fill out the description with your keyword, your city, and what makes you unique. Use at least 150 words. Do it today. Now the advanced move. Go to your Google Business Profile dashboard. Click Info. Scroll to Business Description. Copy this exact template and customize it. We're business name, a specific category, serving, city, since, year. We specialize in Service 1, Service 2, and Service 3. Customers choose us for unique benefit. Visit us at address or call phone. Open hours. That structure hits every keyword signal Google scans. It tells the algorithm what you do, where you are, and why you matter. Paste it in. Save. Within 48 hours, you'll appear in map results for those exact search terms. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We write the description, optimize the categories, upload the photos, and monitor your map rankings weekly. We're your business name, a specific service type, serving your city since year. We specialize in Service 1, Service 2, and Service 3. Customers choose us for your unique value. Visit us at street address or call phone number. Open days and hours. Fix your primary category to something specific. Upload 10 photos within 48 hours of verification. Let ReputationZilla optimize your profile for map visibility. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for complete Google Maps optimization. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.